In this lesson, we will look at how to deliver a professional slideshow in PowerPoint using presenter view and notes. This is especially useful when presenting live, either in person or online, where you want to keep your speaker notes private from the audience. When you reach the final stage of your presentation, it's important to use the presenter view to manage your notes and slides efficiently. The presenter view allows you, the presenter, to see both the current slide and your notes, while the audience only sees the full slide content on their screen. To access this feature, go to the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint. Here you will find the option to enable presenter view. When activated, this view splits your screen into two areas. On the left side, you'll see the slide you are currently presenting, while on the right side, you'll see your speaker notes. This setup allows you to read your notes clearly while presenting, without revealing them to your audience. You can advance to the next slide, check upcoming content, and review all your notes in real time. The audience remains focused on the slide content only, which is displayed in full screen on their end. This method of presenting gives you more control and confidence during your presentation, while keeping your key talking points easily accessible. Presenter view is an essential tool for delivering effective and professional presentations using PowerPoint.